Okay, good morning students. In previous video, we talking about the consumers definition, consumers uh, जो है कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट कोपरा एक्ट 1986 and what is the definition of consumer protection act according to कोपरा एक्ट and about the person. Today we are talking about here consumers rights. How many rights in Consumer Protection Act, in otherwise in COBRA Act? There are 6 rights in Consumer Protection Act. Okay, first, so heading is that consumers right. In Consumer Protection Act, in Consumer Protection Act, there are 6 rights mentioned in this act. Okay, we can make a diagram of these rights for the best representation in the exam. Okay, so first right is right to information. Okay, second right is right to choice. Right to choice. Third right is right to be heard. Fourth right is right to seek redress. Redressal. Fifth right is right to safety. And next last right is right to consumer education. Right to consumer education. Consumer education. Okay. So we talking about here consumers right. In Consumer Protection Act 1986, there are 6 rights of a consumer mentioned in this act. Okay, first right to information. Second right to choice. Third right is right to be here. And fourth right is right to seek redressal. Right to seek compensation. Okay, redressal की जगह हम क्या यूज कर सकते हैं? Compensation. And right to safety. Fifth right is right to safety, and last right is right to consumer education. Okay, clear? That is clear. Write it. So first of all, we talking to about here right to information. Okay, right to information. इसमें राइट क्या है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट टू इंफॉर्मेशन. A consumer has the right to information according to Consumer Protection Act. It means a consumer can know about the product, about the information of product, and otherwise about the product as like manufacturing date, batch number, expiry date, company's name, price, and way of usage of the product, it extra. ठीक है, etc. For example, we write according to consumer Protection Act 1986, the consumer has the right to know about the information about the sorry 1 minute. According to the Consumer Protection Act 1986, the consumer has right to know about the informations of the product as like manufacturing date, of the product, expiry date of the product, ठीक है. सेकंड पेज नंबर कंपनीज otherwise or brand's name and way of usage. Okay, so we will understand here about the right to information. According to Consumer Protection Act 1986, the consumer has right to know about the information of the product as like manufacturing date of the product, expiry date of the product, batch number, company's or brand's name, and way of usage of the product. If any company, any shopkeeper, otherwise any companies, otherwise any shopkeeper refuse to provide these information to the customer or otherwise to the consumer, he or she can file a case in the consumer court against them. Okay, clear. Second is the right to choice. Second right is that right to choice. Right to choice. Second right is that right to choice. Right to choice. According to Consumer Protection Act, otherwise COPRA Act, a consumer can choose anything or any products according to their choice. Any shopkeeper, otherwise any company, don't force to the consumer to buy a specific product or a specific goods or service to the company. If any shopkeeper, otherwise any company mm, done are done this type of practice in the market, the consumer can feel again can feel case against these shopkeepers and companies in the consumer court, in the consumer tribunals, otherwise courts. Okay, so we write here first according to Consumer Protection Act, consumer, yeah, direct right to the COPRA Act. According to COPRA Act 1986, a consumer can write, can purchase and buy any product, any product, any product according to their choice, their choice. We know that consumer is a king of market, is also a king of market, the king of market. So he or she can buy anything, anything. He or she can buy anything from markets if any company or shopkeeper if any company or shopkeeper forces to consumer to buy any product, to buy any product, to buy a specific product to shops, then he the consumer can feel can fill or register a case against these against shopkeepers ओके राइट टू चॉइस तो मार्केट में अगर कोई भी व्यक्ति कोई कस्टमर या कोई कंज्यूमर है वो अपनी क्योंकि हम जानते हैं वी नो वेरी वेल दैट कंज्यूमर जो होता है वो मार्केट में जो है वो एक किंग होता है वो अपनी पसंद से अपनी चॉइस से अपनी जो लाइक जो है जो कुछ लाइक करता है वो अपनी चॉइस के अकॉर्डिंग जो है परचेज और बाई कर सकता है उसको मार्केट में किसी स्पेसिफिक प्रोडक्ट को परचेज करने के लिए फोर्स नहीं किया जा सकता अगर कोई शॉपकीपर या कोई कंपनी इस तरीके का जो है मल्टीपल प्रैक्टिस करती है तो कंज्यूमर उन शॉपकीपर्स और कंपनीज के जो अगेंस्ट है कोर्ट के अंदर कंज्यूमर ट्रिब्यूनल्स के अंदर जो है केस फाइल कर सकता है ओके एंड थर्ड राइट इज राइट टू बी हियर right to be here. Third right is right to be here. तो right to be here में देखेंगे right to be here होता है एक्चुअल में right to be here means सुनना मान लो कोई कस्टमर या कोई कंज्यूमर है उसने किसी कंपनी या किसी शॉपकीपर के अगेंस्ट जो है केस फिल कर दिया अब उसकी क्लेम या कंपेंसेशन अमाउंट जो है उसकी या प्रोडक्ट की जो आउट प्राइस हो या कोई क्लेम अमाउंट हो या फिर कंपेंसेशन अमाउंट जो है वो 1 रुपया भी चाहे 1 रुपीस क्यों ना हो 1 रुपये भी होगी तब भी उसकी जो है केस की सुनवाई प्रॉपर फॉर्म में की जाएगी इसको हम कहते हैं राइट टू बी हियर क्लियर अब देखिए नेक्स्ट कि इफ एनी कंज्यूमर can fill a case in the consumer courts to against any shopkeeper or any company if their compensation amount otherwise price of product amount otherwise redressal amount is 1 rupee or more than their their case can be heard at proper forms okay this right is known as right to be here तो राइट कर लेते हैं इसके बारे में according to Copra Act the Copra Act 1986 according to the Copra Act 1986 if a consumer has been already filled the case against any company or shopkeeper then his case is here at proper forms proper forms where it so thank you okay each case is cleared at proper forms okay right to be clear तो आज हम थ्री राइट्स के बारे में बात कर चुके हैं नेक्स्ट जो थ्री राइट्स हैं उनके बारे में हम कल बात करेंगे ठीक है टुमारो को और उनके बारे में कल हम अच्छे तरीके से बात करेंगे और भी और आप इसका जो होमवर्क है वो आपको पीडीएफ नोट्स में मिल जाएगी थैंक यू ओके